So hi, I'm going to make a coconut sort of curry. I've collected this from my fridge. I'm going to use a yellow curry paste that I have in the fridge. This one here. This is a pretty good paste actually. Very, very fragrant with lemongrass and things. Oh, there's a cricket. I'm going to cook the curry in some coconut butter, and then I'm going to fry off a little bit of the paste, and then I'm going to add some garlic, ginger and onion, and I've got a few little lime leaves that I had in the freezer. And then I'm going to balance the coconut sauce with fish sauce, limes, sugar. That's really sweet. I've got some water over here boiling away to cook my brown rice, because by the time I cook this curry then the brown rice will probably be cooked. Brown rice takes forever to cook. Like possibly you could possibly you could yeah, you could probably, I don't know, what could you do while it's cooking? It just cooks for a long time. Now, this stuff I use to moisturize my face. I use it to take my makeup off. I eat it. This stuff is gold. You can use it for so many things, and I do. Look at that. Yes, yes, give me more fat. Give me more fat. I love you. Coconut butter. Oh yeah, get it in you. This is way too much coconut butter. I've got my onion, I've got my ginger and my garlic. Turn it up. Already it smells incredible. Okay, let's go, let's go. Here is my, oh yeah, that smells good. I'm going to put about that much, maybe a bit more. I'm going to fry this off. This is a relatively easy curry to make when you've got a curry paste. We'll cook this off a bit to let all those spices and flavours, you know, like really open up and develop. And then we'll add our coconut. I've cooked it right off, and you can see that the oil has started to split, which means that it's ready now to add the coconut. That's nice coconut cream there. Just boiled the kettle, so I will put a bit of water. Tip, don't touch the can now. It's boiling hot and you'll burn yourself and you'll blame me, so don't do it. We get a tea towel like this and we hold the can like this because it's very hot. And then we give it so we don't waste anything. Just give them a little bit of a tear, my lime leaves, so that they get all of that flavour out. Because I don't throw out anything, every time I use a lime, I keep all the zest and I put it in the freezer, just so I can go like that. Maybe a little bit more. It's ingenious. Don't waste anything. Just gonna let this now cook and do its thing. So now it's time to just chop up some veggies. We've got some sweet potato, we've got some pumpkin, and we've got some carrots. So we know that these are going to take longer to cook than our silver beet and all that. Actually, I'll put the silver beet in now at the same time as these. We'll just cut our vegetables. Imagine if I chop my hand off now. So I'm going to put all my veggies in now, the ones that are going to take longer to cook than the ones that don't take long to cook. So back over here then. Now we're going to chop up the rest of our little broccoli and beans. Maybe I could fit one zucchini. Chop, 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 chop. Always throw food on the floor, it's very important. Now we need to put in our other vegetables. At this stage I'm going to put my little piece of cane sugar. It's a big solid block, so it's going to take a bit to cook down, that's why I'm putting it in now. I can't remember whether it's cane sugar or jaggery. Lid back on and cook a bit more. So I've cooked enough rice to feed the entire neighbourhood. That's alright, if I don't use it all, I can make fried rice. The veggies have been cooking away. They've got a nice sweetness because of the sugar. Now I'm going to put a little bit of lime, and I'm also going to put a glug of This is ready now, and I'm just going to try it now for balancing. I can taste the lime, I can taste the fish sauce, I can taste the sweetness. So I'm going to turn that off, and that's cracking. Now, eyes are gonna fry in more coconut butter. It's Source Foods Firm Tofu Biodynamic. We're going to cut this into cubes, and then I'm just going to pop them in the pan like this. Oh my god. Oh look, look at the skin. Oh look. Look. You can so do this. Oh. Now they're done. Chuck them in. Voila! She done. Little sprinkle of coriander on the top. Mmm. 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 I try some tofu cooked in coconut butter. Yes. 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 Oh my god. I'm gonna get heartburn. Did food just fall out of my mouth when I opened it? Okay. Now I'm going to push my pan over. Oh, you fucking bastard. I really need to close this cupboard. You can see what I've got in my cupboard. You're probably judging me badly. How are you going? Yes, hi there. Hey, how are you doing? Ah, fuck. Don't do that, ever. My dog keeps coming in looking at me, wondering why I'm talking to myself. He thinks I'm crazy. Look. Oh, he's running away. Morris, come back. Come back.